Zane here, and we're doing a video about making a, no joke, a wooden play button. Look at this. I'm making a wooden play button for my friend Landon for reaching 50 subscribers. I know, that's barely any, but I'm gonna make a bronze one for him when he reaches 100. And then once he reaches 100,000, he gets the silver. And once he reaches 1,000,000, the gold. And once he reaches 10 million, the diamond. But I don't know if he's gonna reach that high. Okay, I just went onto my trampoline and did a backflip. That's why it's getting so close to my face. Okay. I'll see you guys when we start painting it. Bye. Got done painting the outside part. I know it's uneven, but wait, let me try something. Nah. I'll just not do it. But if my friend will finally tell me his YouTube account, I'll put it in the description. Yeah, he won't. I betcha. Should I just paint it to where it's even? You know what? I'm gonna do it. Oh no, it's dried up. It's all dried up and gooey. Look at that. That's what happened when I tried to put it back on. Guess I'll have to give him it like this. Well, later I'm gonna put this on. The gray spray paint. It's gonna be the play button, the actual play. And then tomorrow I'm gonna give it to him. And I'll see you guys when I do the gray part. Wait. Let me just set this down. See ya. Wait. We put the coat of gray on. It's gonna dry in a bit. And then we're gonna recoat it. And then a little bit later, we're probably gonna coat it again. And then it's ready to be handed to Landon. So, celebration for him reaching 50 subscribers. Yeah, I'll probably see you guys when we're repainting it the second time. Is that good?
Let's see. A little bit more, not much. Okay.
Okay, I'm about to spray paint this gray. I messed up a little bit, but I'm gonna overdo it. Well, my dad messed up because...
Don't blame it on your dad.
Okay. Yes, it's coating over. Okay, I got the coat. I'm also painting the outside, so...
Not so close, buddy.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. Let me do the side, please.
Okay. And my dad's gonna do the sides.
See, you were about that close. You want to stay back a little bit. Get a nice, good coat on it. I remember it's blowing that way. Stay over here. One more on this side. Okay, now we just let it sit.
Okay.
We'll leave it there this time.
Okay. Okay. Watch out, it's fine. Okay, next side. I've got the spray painting thing down.
Well,
What?
you're going like this. Don't do that. Try to keep it nice
Oh.
and straight, just like this.
Okay. I guess I don't have it down. Okay, next side. Or shall we?
Go ahead. No, do that side.
Okay. Will you come over? Yeah, that one definitely needed another coating.
Good job. Yeah, a little bit on the top. Same way.
What?
Hold it the same way as you did on the side.
See?
Okay, and you only got like right here. See? You can see where it's wet?
Yeah.
You still need to get over here.
Yeah, and the light you can definitely see where it's more wet.
Let me do it once.
Okay.
Oh, maybe not. You got it pretty good.
Yeah.
Zip it right there. That's it. Done. Done.
We're gonna look at it tomorrow morning. We're gonna take off the tape on the top. If you look closer, there's tape. And under that, there's black. And then I'm gonna flip it over and put it on the back. Landon J. Haney, congratulations for reaching 50 subscribers. And then
Guys, 6 o'clock in the morning. But let's get this tape off. It's ready. We just have to take the tape off. There we go. Ooh, it's starting to look really good. We just get this off. Look at it. Wooden play button. Wait. The wooden play button. That wasn't this amazing. That wasn't this amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.